welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Mafia the Old Country crashing or not launching or showing black screen, lagging or stuck on loading screen error on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So you should make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. So for that, first open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates option. Here check if any update is available and simply click on it to begin updating, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. Next is to check for the game update. So apart from console, you should also make sure that the game is updated and not running on outdated version, because the developers often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and also improve performance. So make sure to check for the game update and after that try to play the game. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, first press Xbox symbol, then move down and select settings. Now go to system, then click on console info. After that click on reset console. Finally select reset and keep my games and apps option, and this will clear the Xbox cache, and after that try to play the game and check if this works. Next solution is to check storage on Xbox. So for that click on Xbox button. Now go to profile and system, then click on settings, then go to system and after that go to storage option over here. Here check whether there is any available space or not. If not, then simply delete some unused tabs or other games to create some space, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open the guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Now go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and finally click on remove option. Once done, wait for some time and again add your account and then check if it has resolved the issue. Next solution is to check network connection. If there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing issue or any other kind of issue can occur. So you are suggested to use an Ethernet cable for stable connection if you are facing any kind of problem, or else you can also use another hotspot to see if this works, or you can also go for mobile data as well to fix the issue. Next is to check for overheating. Crashing or any kind of issue that occurs on Xbox can also be due to overheating of the device. So you should take care of it and make sure no such kind of objects is leading to heat it up. You can go to settings, click on system, then click on console info, and then here click on check for temperature. If it is high, then make it cool by placing it on a cooler area, or wait for some time until it gets cooled down and then try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to delete saved data on Xbox. So for that, open Xbox settings, click on my games and apps, choose see all option, then click on games and here choose game title. After that tap on menu button, then click on manage game and add-ons and finally click on saved data. Here delete the saved data and then restart your console. After that try to launch the game and check if it works for you. If not, then you need to reinstall the game on your Xbox. So for that press Xbox button controller, go to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select your game, then click on press menu and finally select uninstall option. After that again reinstall the game by going to the official website and download it from here, and then again launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, if you are getting the same issue again and again, for that you need to take help from the support team. So go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can simply raise a ticket to let them know about the issue you are going through, explain them and wait for some time until they respond to you. Hopefully they will better guide you what to do to resolve the error you are coming across. So these are some of the solutions suggested to fix Mafia the Old Country game crashing or not launching or showing other issues on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.